We are going over the long carry case for the light bar and the tripod. We have various labels throughout the case which are here to help aid in setup and putting it away. So with the tripod, we have a label: tripod feet, tripod head, meaning the feet here and the head here. We have tripod is first out and last in, so that means you're going to take the tripod out first and it's going to be the last thing in. Now when I put the tripod in, I made that look easy, but you're going to want to keep this lever facing up. Now I usually keep one of these three legs facing up as well. Doesn't matter which one it is. I usually stick the feet in first, kind of wiggle it, and get the head in and drop it in. So let's get this out of the way and we can move on to the light bar itself. When you go and you first get this, you're going to have some accessories which we're going to go over in a minute, but we have the plug that plugs into the control box in its own little housing. We have arm one and then the second arm underneath it. We have the other pieces. You're just going to grab it however you can. Pick it up. Turn it to the side a little bit and let it go. There's no rush in getting this out. We have an orange cradle. It's shaped like the letter I. Easiest way to get that in is to move the top arm up a little bit, stick it in, rotate it, drop it back down. It can go right in the middle of these arms, and it's there to help just keep the arms separated from each other. So we're going to set this aside. The important thing that we're going to go over here is how to get these arms open. The arms can first open like this, so it's a scissor action, and then they move upwards. So as you're using the system, and it's been a week, maybe 2 weeks, and you decide to pack it up, take it, bring it over, drop these arms down, point it out, and then swing them in one at a time. We're swinging the one on this side over first. So basically, which one is that? That is the one with the shock absorber pointed down. Shock absorber down. Now this shock absorber is pointed up. We are swinging this one taking the I-beam, inserting it, twisting it in place, placing the light bar in here. Again, scissor action, move up, insert into your device. Now, we have these covers which are held in place with Velcro. It comes out. I recommend leaving those on until you put it in your crystal bed. It's super hard to do this, or awkward, or however you want to, if the arms are wanting to try to open up on their own. So that's why we leave these Velcro straps on and all that stuff until we have it on the crystal bed. So what we're going to go over, how to pack this up. We have instructions going along the bottom of this ledge. The vocal holders are facing this side. The square bar is up against here. This side arm is folded first, meaning that when this is situated in here and you drop the arms down and swing them, this arm moves first. So it says, in order to pack this, you need to, step 1, place the covers and the Velcro on the arms. Check. Step 2, fold the vocal holders in so they're out of the way and they're not situated straight out. Butterflies, those are pretty little butterflies that float around in the air. And they also happen to be these nuts. So unscrewing those, or not totally unscrewing them, just loosening it up, is perfect. And then it says, swing one arm down and around, swing second arm. Insert orange spacers between arms. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And by the way, it's very difficult to do this if this bar is fully in here. So what I do is set it off to the side first. Just little catty corner, swing this one, fold it down, swing, fold it down, swing. You can then place the slight bar in here, insert the orange spacer. If you have like something else to use instead of an orange spacer, that's fine. We just want to get a little bit of space between this arm and the other arm. Put this piece right in here. Continue on with things like the tripod. We are providing 2 extra covers. You can use these for incidentals, or you can use those for additional padding. On this particular unit, because we have so much extra space, we have an audio cable that's usually in the other pack. We have a spare vocal holder, which goes onto the the 3-arrow setup, and that's in a separate video if you need it. We have spare rubber rings. These are not your primaries, these are your backups. A headphone hanger, which attaches onto the square bar and allows you to hang your headphones when not using them. And then we also have the power plug for the music system. We have an eye pillow and the main power cable for the power supply. And that is it. Getting everything all nice, closing it down, you're good. Thanks for watching.